Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Kemono party if it is not updating. So first thing you need to do is open up your browser and then go to your extensions and then click on this manage extension button. Once you do that, simply locate your Kemono party extension and then simply remove it. And then you can simply install this extension again, and that will fix the issue. But if you are still facing this issue, what you can do is, if you have installed the Kemono party software in your phone or your laptop, what you can do is simply open up your computer settings and then go to applications, and from here click on this install apps, and from here simply locate your Kemono party software and then simply click on this three dot menu and click on this uninstall button. And once you do, it will fix all the problems. And the other thing you can do is simply open up your Kemono party website and then look out for the announcement if there any update available, and if there any update released, then you can simply update your Kemono account. So that's how you can fix your problem. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.